structural engineering and the impact. Now that we've seen the raw footage, let's talk about the engineering that saved these lives. What you just witnessed was a 30-ton truck slamming into the rear of the Zeekr 009 at high speed. In most MPVs, this would result in a complete collapse of the third row. But look closely at the 009. The secret lies in its one-piece die-cast aluminum rear body. This single-piece structure, created by a 7,200-ton casting machine, eliminates hundreds of traditional welding points. It acts as a massive energy absorption shield, ensuring that the survival space for passengers remains untouched even under extreme deformation. The double A-pillar effect, but it's not just about the rear. Zeekr has utilized ultra-high-strength hot-formed steel throughout the chassis, boasting a roof pressure resistance of up to 128 kilonewtons. That's like carrying 13 tons on its roof, without buckling. Notice the double A-pillar design. By using hidden twin pillars, Zeekr has eliminated blind spots while creating a frontal roll cage that is twice as strong as industry standards. This creates a 360-degree, safe cabin philosophy where every seat is as protected as a cockpit in a race car. In an electric vehicle, the crash is only half the battle. The other half is preventing a fire. During this consecutive impact, Zeekr's intelligent safety system detected the collision in milliseconds. It instantly cut off the high-voltage power to prevent any short circuits. The battery pack, protected by its own internal aluminum honeycomb structure, showed zero signs of leakage, smoke, or thermal runaway. This is the black tech that sets Zeekr apart, a battery that is literally part of the car's armor, not just its fuel source. The details matter. The most impressive indicator of safety is often what happens after the noise stops. Watch as the test engineers approach the vehicle. Despite the massive rear deformation, every single door on the Zeekr 009 could still be opened manually. This is vital for what's known as the golden hour of emergency rescue. Many EVs struggle with door locks after a major impact, but the 009's structural integrity ensures that passengers can exit and rescuers can enter without the need for heavy cutting equipment. The new safety benchmark, the results of this world-first consecutive impact test are clear. The new Zeekr 009 hasn't just passed a test, it has redefined what is possible for family mobility. By combining massive die-casting technology with military-grade materials, Zeekr has proven that an MPV can be the safest vehicle on the road. It is no longer just a luxury van, it is a life sanctuary for those who value safety above all else. I'm Ava. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep it locked on Vision Effect TV. See you in the next one.